Guys, we back here, guava bush. Little bro done hook up a nice tarpon there. Cuffum. Alligator there, eh? One big one? Eh? Yeah, watch it, doggy. Me, you know. You get one bag? Obviously the action with the market. Man, catch one. Watch there. Man, I got a nice big one there. First one, guava bush. Eh? First cast there, boy. See what going on, you know. See if anything will hook up fast or not. Force gas na bring one way. Bring one. Eh? Hey. Guys, bro just lost another one. I think they're all over this kind of. Wait there. No, I didn't see him yet, you know. Where? See if I can find something here. Got him. All right. Hold on there, boy. Hold the thing here, boy. Man, get the thing out of the dam. Man, get the thing there, boy. Man, I made a joke. Come on, pull out the thing quick, boy. Man, a thief a fish out of water. A man come back for revenge. What? Ice cream man there, why?
Strawberry, nut and raisin, chocolate, peanut butter, cookies, and cream, marshmallows, and candy. We also cater for office parties, weddings, birthday parties, and all other special occasions. Call us at 333-5272. Come and get yours now.
Ice cream guy get ice cream song there, right? You're all the flavor of the man I sell it. We get a little alligator here. We're gonna go right next to him and cast out, see. Little bro said let me pull it up. The rod should manage. We get a pen rod here. Which model is this, our friend?
That's a pen Pursuit 5000.
Pursuit 5000. Let's see what 5000 can do. Maybe I'm manage the alligator. Oh, maybe it's a not so smart thing to do, but we'll find out. See what going on, boy. Yay, what the man there, boy? The man looking at the top. The man watching my float, he's not interested in the bait. Hả? What you got? What you got? What you got? What you got? What? Ada buka sih? Ada buka sih? Ayo, mana sih? Ayo kita naik dulu. Vamos sih? Masih sih vamos. Might have to move to a new spot, guys. Not too much action going on here, you know. Can't wait here too long. It's gonna be Maghrib time. We gotta go pray just now. It's already getting late. Man, I know I'm ready for fight that thing, boy.
Fight them about game couple.
Yeah, get him, bro. How are we gonna get the out?
Here. Lay wrap up. Game line.
Boy? Oh, he let go.
Wait, let go.
He let go, bro. Man, let go, boy. Hey, what the thing that is? All right, we get a call from you now. Bismillah. Come on, there we go. Man, I'm scared for hook the thing, boy. How about pull the thing out?
That's it. Yeah.
I'm not caught last, boy. I wonder if he played it just now.
Nah, they're not playing, man. No, you're freaking out. From your
No, you're no Cuffum, man. Now I catch alligator. Yes, we go. We gotta try to catch this big one, eh? Huh? Go and put in anything. Get one right there. There's no play there. Not alligator. Bro determined to catch this thing, but I don't think it's like me bait. I'm gonna get caught last, I'm gonna hook him now. He like me and man. I read. On little one da. What would do it? I'll make shoes with them. You know too little. This is a shot. Watch it. Right up front of him. One big one, he's too big, man. I get caught last percent now, boy. I want to take the floor. Yeah! Got him! Oh! Is he on? Yo! He gone. He not bite fully, you know. Where's that? Aí there? Look at bush there.
Kita mabay yung ting man.
I-bite him. Me set the hook.
Come don't lose it.
No, I set the hook pa na boy, take it.
Nah, you can't set hook pa na ligit sa body.
No?
The man a wrap up when you bring him in.
Oh.
You gotta let
Hey,
him wrap
found that bite?
himself up with the twine. You get that?
No. Something going on there, boy. Oh, there you go then. Oh. No, boy. Things rough all over, you know. I go our country, things rough all them countries. Not one. People think of them country alone, but it's everywhere. So it's not more bad there. Things expensive bad. I know work plenty there, man. You get one there?
I'll big one there.
Yeah, boy. Macom. Let's see this one here. Big bro, little bro just catch one there, boy. A big one. Yes, what the action here? Gotta check with little bro. Oh yeah, nice one there. Alright, go. Let me snap your picture real quick. Come on, go back there. Ready? Alright. Ready? Alright, you done there.
Come. Get one.
You get plenty. You get like 6, 7, buddy. You get plenty there, boy. Yeah? Hey, na-bite me hook now. You had chance to bite in a water, you na-bite them.
That's how you do it, Bana.
Hey, how blood pitch from here, boy?
That's how
You have pitch of blood here.
Oh, by 3 feet.
Huh? No. That's me 3.
You gotta check it out now. You go pull up another.
Huh?
Right.
Yeah. When you call me there, one just bust in the water there.
Yeah, more throw in a truck now. You go down.
The action more slow today, eh? What? Got one. All right. Yes, yeah. My God, mate. You see that one there? That body there. What? Little bro catch him, brother. Me catch a big one there. Boy, a man take it there, boy. The man pull out a bait down. Man running there, look. Man want the chicken guts. Take it. This man is smart, boy. Got him now. Got him now. All right. All right. You done here, buddy? Easy. Easy. I can see big brother. Hey, come here. Wait, the boy. Hold on. Wait. Easy. You gotta bring you out. Yes. Look at that. Double up. Double or nothing, boy. Huh? That one more big. Oh, so me catch a little brother. All right. Uncle said this one, the other one more big. Okay. Ah, squeezy good, boy. What? Yo, my hookey too good, boy. I'm from Anita Pliers, boy. Come. My hookey good, he couldn't get away this time. The man bite, he grabbed two to ass, uncle. Yeah. Thanks, bro. Take me on phone and picture. Knock me one, you know. The man get one, me guy get one picture too. What's in my pocket? Go. How the hat look? You look good? Or turny?
Yeah, turn on.
Turn a fish?
No, turn the hat.
Turn.
Yeah, see them face in the thing.
Yes. Monster. What you get about weight like?
Make it 3. This is 10.
You are more fat, you know. You are more fat. Me can't lie about that. But length by eh?
No, man. Pull them up.
No, yours bigger.
Yeah, man. Minute 2.5.
Alright, go on.
They keep it so close. Look at this edge here.
Easy there, Bana.
Throw them up.
Put a light dance road there. Go on, Panda. Huh? Oh, put it back in my pocket there.
You got bait up, man?
Yeah, I try use back the same one. The thing get away from me 2 times, boy. 2 times right here. Yeah, that was the man said, but we didn't get no action there. I water low there, man. I water me low over there. Oh. Yeah. A friend, I gotta go masjid just now, boy. What time am Maghrib?
Like
15 minutes? Alright, let me catch one and go. Gotta go pray, boy. Bismillah. See the action, you know. My beard fish slimy, boy. Hey, watch you there. Yeah, boy. We get action here, guys. Look at that. The man go next to me float. Action. Techie, buddy. Techie. Come on, we need one for the road. Yeah, watch him. You know this side you want to take on yet. I'll give you a little jiggy. Got him! Oh! Bro, he busted my line.
I see that.
Busted my line. Ah! I try to set the hook for bringing you home.
Yeah, bring up a truck and load up, man.
Alright, I'll come down. He dance done. Alright guys, that's a wrap for today. Look at the fish there. Check it out there. One there. Little bro caught the bigger one, boy. The man win me today. Alright. Okay guys, we gotta load up everything. It's prayer time. It's getting a little bit late. It's almost sunset. So gotta go pray Maghrib. So we're gonna clean up, load up everything. Now we're heading straight to the masjid. The masjid is just a few minutes down the road.